Hey man, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show y'all my wave routine. People normally ask me, what do I put in my hair, what do I use, what kind of brush I use, I guess all that. Today is only my daily brush routine. That's what we're talking about. No washing style, none of that. Just brush and style, I guess, you know, brush, rag up. And that's how I rock out for the day. So let's get to it. You gotta keep the double rag. That's what I like to do. I'm always double rag, but some days you need that double rag, get the extra compression. And I'm a lazy brusher, y'all. I brush my hair twice a day for probably about 10 minutes. I'm not like the rest of them boys. Them boys be out here saying they brushing for 30 minutes. It's in one session, and they probably brushing like 3 and 4 times a day. I'm not about to brush that much. I ain't got that time to be brushing like that. So this video is for all my lazy wavers, you know. So put me in the lazy waver category, because I'm not about to be brushing like no damn 5 hours a day. Hell no. But when you first start, you should probably brush like 5 hours a day. When I first started waving, boom, I was just in there just freestyling it, getting it, boom, 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 just to put them in there. But now we more technical with it, trying to break forks, trying to get this line to connect to the next one. We trying to get all this in rhythm, man. So it's my first video. Hope y'all rocking with my wave routine, man. They alright, they could be better, but whatever. Give y'all my little 1-2. I only use Go Drip products. I started using this one last year. So far, I think it's pretty cool. You know, I like it. PB the GOAT. We got this moisturizer. We got the Go Drip butter. I got that oil, you hear me? But that's what I like to do, you know. Little oil, you know. Get it on in there. Give me a little comb session in. This is what you really need, combing. Get your comb session. So that's what it's all about. I don't. I know it's nasty. Yeah, to you. Thanks. That's all you need right there. Depending on your hair length, I guess. Get another comb session in. Supposedly this help break my forks. I think it does. Just stay with your pattern, you know. Medium brush is my medium, I go to. I got other brushes, but depends how I'm feeling. I might use them, might not. It's a medium too. Medium hard, this one a little softer. I always finish off my brush session with this thing. It's my baby. It's all soft. This is all my brushes. 30 Pros. This used to be my go-to all the time. This thing. This is a super hard brush, this thing. So hard, it's probably the hardest brush I got. Need to upgrade my brushes and my do-rags. Been slacking on all that, but it is what it is. This one kind of with a medium soft. Might be kind of medium hard. This was my starter. You can see all the stuff that came off. It was like one of my, I wouldn't say first brush. This wasn't my first brush, but it's used to get the business clear right here. But this just work out for me. This is what I go to. This is all my go-tos. So yeah. So, give me a little medium session in with this thing. Just a medium. Like I said, this is probably what, 15 minutes. It only probably seem like I'm taking long because I'm trying to explain to y'all my process. But other than that, this probably take me 10 minutes, man. 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes at night. I don't really be worrying about my crown area, not right now. Trying to break forks, trying to get everything else in rhythm, and then I can focus more on that crown. But like I said, what works for me probably won't work for you. And to all my wavers who about to watch this video, I'm open to tips and everything, man. Y'all drop down below what I can do better, cause I'm all here for it, bro. Soft in after, you know. By the way, I've been wanting to do this, start a wave channel. I should have showed you my progress from the beginning of time, but I guess this is dead. I should scalp them. Should scalp all my waves and restart and give y'all a whole process, but probably not gonna do that because I already want to start from the bottom. But it shouldn't even be hard for me to start from the bottom, you know? So, quick little something right there. That's all I do. Now we're about to put this butter in, you hear me? Go drip butter. You don't need too much of this. Depending on how much you got, you're probably gonna use a little bit more. My hair kind of lengthy. Got like a baby fro. Little nice little woof under there. This stuff make your hair shine right here. But yeah, that's my go-to products. I'm using Go Drip Butter. No complaints so far, but I guess I don't have no complaints. Some days I will put this oil in my beard though, but I got my own good beard products separately. But yeah, other than that, that's that. Another little brush session. The only reason I brush now is to break these forks. I got a few of them in here, but I had shifted my pattern from a 360 to I guess you can call these 540, 360, whatever. Well, this ain't no 360 at all, so it's a 540, I guess. But I had shifted it. I shifted it with a woof. I was always told I should shift my pattern I need to cut everything off. I need to see how to go on a shift. So that's another reason why it's probably coming harder or tougher, because I'm shifting with a wolf. I probably never got a haircut below a 2 guard. Most of all my haircuts right now, a 3.5 or a 3. I stay away from them 2s because I like the thickness of them. You know, I like my waves. A nice size. I mean, if I scalp and all that, they'll still be there. But that's my preference. Everybody do what works for them, you know. Gotta get that soft brush in one more time. Another thing about a crown, you get your little brush with a point at the end. You should be able to maneuver it and finesse little areas, you know. That's just the point touching my hair. Nothing else touching it, it's just that little pointed area. I need to get me a crown brush. I need to get a lot of things, but sometimes you gotta work what you got at the moment. That's what we doing. So yeah, last but not least, this thing right here. For the people who don't know, plastic bag, that thing lay your head on. Your hair stay laid too. As long as it ain't humid outside. If it's humid outside, you just keep your do-rag on. I hate when it's humid. Down here in Louisiana, this weather sucks. But up north, my hair stay laid the whole time. It's just so humid down here, man. But yeah, so that's pretty much my wave routine, man. This is my last time brushing for the night. I brushed earlier, so this is my night brush. Only brush twice a day, maybe 3, depending on how I'm feeling. I'm not about to do all that extravagant brushing, trying to go crazy, even though I should, to try to compete with the rest of those wave heads, you know. But other than that, this is just my routine. I like to double rag. I don't always double rag, because I don't like how the black show. But yeah. Hopefully in the morning, have something going. And that's that, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. And that's my daily wave routine. Hope this video wasn't too long. But yeah, 10 minutes a night, 10 minutes in the morning, maybe 10 minutes in the afternoon. That's all I'll be doing. Nothing major, man. That's how much I probably brushed my whole wave experience. Unless I'm driving or something, then I'll used to do the little freestyle. If you're gonna freestyle brush, the wave's gonna be everywhere. But we like everything in sync, everything in rhythm. But hey, I'm checking out. Y'all take care, be safe out there. So yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below.